The purpose of this film series is to spotlight the positive aspects of the Jamaica we love so much. In most cases, we hear negative stories coming out of Jamaica, which has a direct impact on returning residents. This film series seeks to explore the natural ways people care and share on this beautiful island we call home. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in all the future episodes. Share with your friends, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell on YouTube so that you'll be notified for future episodes. Take care. Randy Pottinger. Be careful, boy. Drop over hill. Oh, man. This is Manchester. I don't know the name of this place. That's my family. Oh wow, look at this, people. So look at this country. Come on, people. Remember one thing we can teach you now. Wherever you go, travel with a big bottle of white rum and some cups. That is the secret to Jamaica. Travel with the spirit. A big bottle of white rum and some cup. Alright? That is the secret. Look at this. On the journey. Run the Jamaica Good Life. People love it. Thank you for... Look at this. The stories that are here. The legacy. Our ancestors. When you get older, dream that a house like this could be yours. Look at this. There's a church up there. I gotta find out what the name of this place is. Oh man. This is why I must work things out with family. Because this is ours. You Jamaicans are so lucky. Now what they're gonna do is they're waiting for all the elders to pass on and nobody comes home to claim their land. And then them just take it and sell it to the foreigners. So if your grandmother leave land, address it, cut it up, and share it with the family so that it's in the family. If nobody pays the taxes and you leave it and you say you're not going back to Jamaica, it's going to be sold to the highest bidder. And trust me, you see this? The highest bidder will pay for this. And they'll build their house right up there. Right up there, they'll build their house right up there, sir. Right up there, sir. If me did have a piece of land there, I build my house right there, sir. I'm going to get up every morning and drink coffee and laugh at the world. Plant me yam. And we sit down talking about problems. When me can end up on the internet right here and go to college from here, the world is different. People, are you guys seeing this? This is on the way to Norway. See somebody there. Yo! See that? keep going. Until next time. What a life, nice. Jamaica Good Life. Randy, I drive alone. Bethel, Greenville. There's some nice people on cover around here. So I drink some lemonade right now. To right. You know, me top drive. See there. We're up on the view right now with the man. Them calling Biggs. Look there, sir. This is the good life, people. See that? Up on the sky. Oh, Lord got drunk or somebody dead. What go on? How went they? A rain drunk or them?
Maybe actually rain, they wake them up.
Whoa, go on this.
I say nice to know they're sleeping.
Eh?
So, yes.
I first remember say so much of them. Only when somebody dead, them circle.
They don't know if nobody did it here.
Alright, cold digger and donkey there.
What's that with you saying?
Biggs!
Somebody might do that with
Look. When I did little, you know. When we see them a circle, we say, Lord God, who I got dead? Because them know somebody I got dead before they dead, you know. Junk them a circle.
How many people always say?
Yeah.
So junk are so irritating.
Enough rain been happening. Me say, the place.
You like a piece of grass, eh?
Yeah, sir?
I'm putting a balcony for some now. Okay, go. So, nice joke then.
Wait, right here, sir?
I want to put it up for some.
Let's go check it out. Man called Biggs. Original Sheldon.
Proper.
So Biggs, yeah, tell the people themselves if they want a room, them can come.
Yeah, man, as soon as we finish up, if they want to see me,
If they want to come sit down here, sir.
yeah, me want to come sit down and build and whole a vibe.
Whole a vibe. Anywhere in the world.
Anyway, in the world today.
People look on the view want to come chill out with Biggs. See him there?
Yes, man.
Drink some juice, and when this thing finish up, you go up on the top too?
No,
Like a balcony?
That's like a thing.
So you have some big windows here, sir. You know what?
I've already got there, sir.
Oh, I've heard this.
The balcony is a big column them. Window I go there, sir.
So
the kitchen, see pipe run through the kitchen, sir.
Kitchen in here, sir. So when you look for done it?
What's the name tell you?
In about 3 months, this supposed to done.
3 months. That's the money now, sir. Money is so strong, but you can't work still. As if man never work with me.
Wow. So this
have material, as me.
Biggs, the varna, I got nice, man.
Yeah, man. You like bottom piece, man.
The woman them a go and go hang out in a brother.
Bedroom this and bathroom over there. Go back so in that room.
The first Airbnb around here, so don't say no. Don't say no, brother. Don't say no. Cause here what? See the life, yeah? This is Jamaica. What we say? Good life.
I run MB can drive to me. I have driver's license.
You have a driver's license?
Yeah, man.
So you rent a car, you can take them everywhere?
Anyway, I must be so drive truck in man. I know 14 parishioner.
Where is it?
I mean,
so you're the man where I look for to big enough for work.
yeah.
People, so Jonathan mansion there. So no Biggs have finished up him thing. So once him thing ready and you guys come from the UK, you want a tour, you want the food, you want to travel all over Jamaica, look at your view, nice thing and everything. On a link Sheldon, Biggs.
On the beach vibe, same way.
Beach. You know, Negril, Portland, Rio Grande.
More beer. Yeah, St. Mary.
So when the girl them need protection, them can just call you.
Yeah, man, it's easy one too, man. I'm my friend name already. I know who you know and who know you. Yes, baby.
So then the people them not alright, man.
Yeah, I know who you know, man. I who know you. That's how things set, you see.
Wow. So people.
Yeah, man, after you travel the street and you know, do nobody nothing, you know, look no bad for nobody not do nothing. That's what Jamaica done. You see me? If you don't do nobody nothing, nobody not do nothing. Yeah. Simple as
People talk.
people talk, man, but busy body talking. People always chat. My father tell me one thing, and my father tell me say people they want nothing to say enough. You will be boring.
Okay.
So they might have something to entertain themselves. And everybody do communication at school. You see me? And that's why communication.
It look like you have got chop down that tree I do to clear the view.
Yeah, but I don't know if I'm for tree, man. I don't know if I'm young for tree or for Geo, but they look like a Geo.
Chop them two there down and then sit down and get some lemonade. Plant.
No fruit tree, I'm going to plant on there.
Alright, I'm going to stay up on the edge right there so I take you in the view. Eh?
Yeah, sit down there.
May I sit down there,
Yeah,
man?
pick up right there, so let me sit down.
Right there, so. Boy, may I tell you, you know. May I tell you? Yeah, man, me see it, man.
Oh, nice, bro.
Me see it, brother. Me see it. The place is so amazing.
Yeah, man, I did my time. My son kick up around us, you know.
And you just need a solar panel.
So that's why you see me put the furnace up on the side there. So we always have cool, that's why I always have a cool.
Okay.
Like when the sun comes, so no.
Yeah, okay.
That's it, so. Even
So where does the sun rise from? Okay. And it's set? Over there, so. So when you see the sunset, I go, nice!
Yeah, man, we have man. Especially when the rain just don't fall. And
make sure you take a picture and send it to me. I mean, from even over Jamaica, you know, I mean, man, I got to say, yo, Biggs, we are coming, you know. Because with a view like this, every man just want a vibe. A pure love. Nothing but love. Food, love, laughter, and good life. I mean, that's it. I mean, run here, so nobody not run out of bush and shoot nobody.
No, sir. Shoot. I never hear a gunshot fire for you. Long live around here, I never hear. Nobody not dead for around here with a gunshot or nothing like that. Natural cause of death around in my place. Yeah, sleep in the house and dead. Till 5. Yeah, man. So I get ready now.
Yeah, right, sir. So, Biggs, you're international now. You've been on the show. People did see you. Yeah. Now, when they want to get, you know what I'm going to do, you know? I'm going to let go your number, you know?
Yeah, man. Do your thing, man.
So, no, sir, you think me I go forget you? This is...
But you bring my thing, I forget you.
Bring me thing. You see? You think some I go forget you?
You're not going to
What the rat is going to do this, sir?
You're ripe, huh?
Oh, wait, what do you mean if you're ripe?
No, man, I tell you. You smell
They're not God I love everything I love God.
Bring my thing.
Lord God, man, you know, for me drive, come get your thing, I have a gift, sir. You give me a thing and me give you a thing. You know how long you ask me for the thing? Me not let you. Hold on. Alright, people. Wow. So we have to go do it with the phone going down. Whoa. Hold on on grass, my you. A wrong place me come here, sir. Me wrong place me come. Jamaica. What me want about there? Why Randy always not them pretty grass? When it turn up grass. How wet it? Turn up, how wet it? Them here grass you can't hold me. People, how kind of predicament you put me in now? Grass, turn up grass, turn up. How wet it? Grass they don't want to turn up. No grass no want to turn up around here, so. Alright, I have to go creep it. Alright, one stone there. Oh, what kind of rat? How with it? How with it? How with this? Me catch myself in here, sir. I go let me a drop down. How with it? I tell me something I go soldier it up. I trap. I the great. How with it? I the great. Great adventurer. World famous Randy. Up with it. Cha. Alright. Grass, turn up. Stone, turn up. Alright. Watch on this. No, how with the rat did I go? You know this already. I'm going on the wrong place, but me a bushman. Lord God, man. Lord. This way the road there. Me not see no step. cut my finger. That's a nice tip. All right. Oh, I see this step now. Lord, they ain't not supposed to make sure say this step clean up. I feel on. Okay. Okay. Hey. You know, anyway, food there and there. Me I say food down here, so I look like a orange that. Hey. Anyway, the food there ready. You know, so me love the orange tree this. And it can't make it can't make juice, right? Even though it's not ripe. Even though it's not ripe.
No, right one.
Green one can't use. You have some maca down here, so brother. You don't chop out bush.
You know here, you never walk in, we give up down here, we rent it out.
Okay. All right, back up, doggy.
So I'm going to take it.
Call the dog.
We take it. We know about it, man.
Easy.
Move up there.
Easy. Already right.
You know what I'm sorry for you. I'm trying to say now, bite it. Look at that walk on with dog.
Why? The whole crowd see that.
Look at that walk on with dog.
How is it right?
You know I'm more than this.
Why, Lord God, you is a heavenly man. Put it in the bag, zip it up. Give thanks. Now make you ready the guava tree.
What kind of guava you eat? Right guava?
Oh, you have tangerine too.
They're not ready.
They're not ready, me no care. Two of them I want to smell.
Oh man, they ain't green too.
I just smell more. Sir.
They ain't green.
I smell more.
I have to check my back.
No, sir, I'm going to smell two of them.
No,
You have orange too? A bit of sweet again?
Oh, orange, yeah.
Them have half ripe, man. Them can mix juice half ripe.
Make juice with lime. Lime I do it.
Both of them. You look like say you like it.
Suck the lime and tell me some blood pressure high.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like good.
See you go over there. Let me tour the place. Some jam with the guava.
You know, if you want a little bottle of jam, guava with you.
You know, say you're the only one.
$400.
Let me see.
You hear me say?
Yeah.
What?
No, I don't eat more. I eat them. I just like the smell. Your farm is nice, you know. All of this? The whole of this? Enough tanger. Yo.
You see them, you know?
Yeah.
So them broad when they ready.
Them one there? So when them ripe, call me. I'll give me a number. You are the only man who have. You are the only man who have tangerine left. Go on here, sir.
I don't know where I look for. I know, oh God, you're looking around. You know?
See it there?
You see it?
Two of them, I see. Me quick pan the look, you know.
I never look at it. It's a least of the problem. You don't say my heart about the problem, run up and that.
I hope no. I hope no ticks not there on here, sir.
Let me see what they do. Then I work money at your time.
Okay.
You said them bad.
Yeah, man, that's the real thing, this, you know. When we used to grow up at them, yeah, we used to see.
The second crop, the first crop never so broad, about 2 months ago.
Yeah.
Then when we look at the tree, we say, oh!
Around there come.
The first crop.
A two big one in it, you know. At Christmas today. Yeah, give me one and save one. Okay. You keep it for the lady. The farm nice, man. Yes. Get the people them your name.
Nobody tell nobody about this on my farm. I see the place in a bush. I don't know drummer you for come.
I don't there so your farm.
Don't let me work. I could take back the silver. Why you not buy 10 quarter piece?
I'm gonna let it go down here for me.
10 quarter piece for plant.
The whole of this we bowl about that.
How much that cost?
I don't know. You go buy 10 quarts, you go wheel and deal with them.
Yeah.
And I make them hear no foreign accent.
Okay.
You know, cheese that you eat.
Since you're up there, just pull the next limb too. Good luck when you get two.
What the other one is?
See one right over here, so.
Yes, one big one up
See it here, so.
the bigger one there somewhere.
Over here, so look here, so.
Hold up.
Show it. Give thanks. Jamaica Good
green.
Life. No.
You know that the sugar you have now.
I know it a go nice.
Where they know?
It's the right here, so. You see that limb there right here, so?
Back on me.
Yeah. Oh, just like whole time when I push me hand in night, man. Yes. Remind me. Oh man, Jamaica. Tangerine. Them call them mandarin.
This is a tangerine. The mandarin is the smaller one.
Mandarin is smaller.
The one they know the tree back here. I don't know what they name. They're smaller than mandarin.
Yeah.
The tree there back here. The tree there. Look, back here.
Right, that's so.
Back here.
Yeah, so.
The tree there.
Oh, remember them there, them sweet.
Pine.
They sweet, you know?
Pine for you, yeah.
So wait there, you know have suckers too?
Definitely I'm 4. Maybe have some sucker the tangerine, the mandarin, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Turn 3. I mean how big it is.
Mm-hmm.
I give it 2 of them.
Give thanks.
You know there. Next time you come here to last night, you have beer tree. Wrap over. Sweet, no do.
You bring me back down memory lane. Just make me day.
When you get a touch of country, you get jackfruit, one more.
Brother, I use it the thing. I use it. I must
You
say.
have things, man, you check me. Them no, me plant enough gungo, sorrel.
Give me the number.
Them they say, no even know my phone number. You have Nadine number, right?
Yeah, give me the first name.
Let me tell the man to me, him are just as close cousin as them. He never know. Not, if you give a man $1, look how much of a cousin him have. You still are giving the $1, not so? Them not see it so. And them don't know say.
So we're a family from the Ashley side or Benny side.
If you call me sissy, grandaunt.
Eh?
My mother if you call me sissy, auntie. 2 brother, 2 people.
Then,
My grandfather, my sister.
then me and your blood.
Ashley, brother and sister.
Then me and your blood.
Now you must say I don't know far sitting where you have to go to DNA.
Right, we are blood. We are blood, right.
DNA. You know, have to look for the DNA for that. You want it, but when I think it's sweet, you know.
Just take it anyway.
We never in, you see him?
Yeah, me see him.
You know why you bring a big bag down there?
So they go over them there too. Life is good. Jamaica Good Life. You see me? Right, another thing. We explore. We show the whole world. One blood, one family, one love. Everybody. To the world. See there? Star up the tree. People surround the cut off him on the finger there. We just like pick them for the smell, you know. So we ate them, man. That one, yo, let me tell you something, right? You see that one here? A tangerine them.
No.
Are the little one you talk about?
Aye. Them are small, smaller than the mandarin.
If we call them tangerine. So you have the citrus. Eh? Alright, see the people. Ooh, this smells so good. Yo, people. Yo, you have the thing them. So you're right, you know, can't get some suckers out of them, yeah. Them not, you know, can't graft one.
The tangerine, them just sucker here.
Sucker under the tree, right?
Some sucker there, so but they get big.
Wait there.
No work I done today. Go prepare myself for tomorrow.
Eh.
I have to work till a 12 o'clock appointment. Or private lab, or graph, whenever I go there. I say I'm free stuff there, I'm going to that thing about. They get too big.
What them here?
Yeah, the tree sucker.
Them get big, man. Yeah, them too big. Yeah. Cause you know the orange sucker rough too, you know. Nobody can get orange, you know. I want that, you know. I want that.
Where? This?
No. I want that.
Like pimento, I think. Smell it.
A pimento?
Yeah, I think so. I jackfruit.
No, if a jackfruit, take it, it look like something.
Don't know. Let me see an extra amount of them, let me know a garbage.
Okay. So this tree you can cut it and it catch from where you cut it.
But this?
Yeah.
You know,
I see it do them things.
Sucker. And you're lucky, you know.
You find one?
I never can get it up.
Don't drag it, man. Use the machete and...
The dirt soft now, you know.
Eh.
See?
Red, some put that in the water. So what that? A tangerine?
Mm-hmm. The tree are this big.
Mmm.
Hell of a tree. I tell my man to burn coal. Buster. He chop off one limb and fight to burn coal. Next thing we see the tree bare, you know.
Mmm.
And next thing we just see the tree dry up. The limb where it come off and it hang out way over about where you're there. Over the barbecue, one limb, like a big yam stick.
Yeah.
Ah. Yes, sucker, I know.
Yes, my lord. And not the same thing.
Hey, I tangerine sucker them. You know, wait there.
Up here, red answer.
A mandarine.
Manjari.
Mandarine. Then the big door. So another ripe tangerine for you back here.
Yes, people. Jamaica Good Life come through and see what we see.
Only three in the bed for the one, the big one, the one for.
Yeah.
You know them sweet.
All right. See the people.
Then I think they come to Christmas, you know.
At Christmas them come.
Yeah, around them time.
Okay. I'll tank the run here, so.
That's $1 million to fix that.
Eh? So where you do this, so?
I try to put another one.
Watch your back, you know.
Come get.
That is tree mandarine. Put them in the water and dirt immediately.
In water till you get where you go.
So once, okay.
Dig hole and plant them.
And when you plant them, just keep it moist water. This is rye, people, the original gangster. You see me give thanks.
Look, me never know there now. You me take me a tree sucker under one tree. When they get big.
Yeah.
You never see them fine one there.
Happy Jamaican people. You say mandarine.
This a tangerine.
Tangerine.
This same tangerine beer small. Yeah, I see him tangerine. I want a big tree, you know, today, so. They lean over here, so. The tree dead. And then two suckers.
So say December, bring in the people them come meet you. Forget the tangerine there.
Sorrel, gungo.
Sorrel, gungo. Sour orange. See some ripe sour orange there, you know.
You want it?
Oh, you juice me, over there, so me live, you know.
Me know. Come here.
When you live over there, so you know, you have to come over here so and get what you need. People want to know where I live, me tell them over there, so.
Before, man, I have a sweet potato.
Eh? What you said to me?
You get bag of yam?
So wait there. So you have everything now you're a field?
I try to. You know, I try to. Not everything, but you know, I reap off carrot down.
So you work hard like everybody else?
Why am I try to? Had everything there, you know. I'm still going to this. I am in there. Come down here unprepared. Oh, you have the bag there.
Yeah, man.
Take off the bag. Both of those are good.
We're good, man. Just unzip it and put them in it. Unzip it.
This is a bag.
Alright, Journey. Alright, me start the mission with.
Camping bag.
Yeah, man.
Mountain bag, then call them, man. I think, man, they live up in the mountain. I want to open it. Oh. Any opening. You put them in there?
Yeah, man.
You have enough?
A jar, you know, it's a
You don't
jar.
lock it yet.
Yeah.
But like a person, some people like things and they can give it two.
Mm-hmm.
So by the time you're done all that, the lime half a ripe. But you must
No, me have friend, man. Me have neighbors, you know.
You go to country, you know, bring us back. No,
God, man, you want to... No, sir.
you know, look good.
No, sir. And if the people them over the world, every time they see me on the expedition, them know, sir. See that people?
Pick up the last, Papa.
Yeah.
Tell them I'm about 40.
Look like this a bush here, you just left it, so. Rent it.
You know, some never come down here at all, know what the body say, you know.
Yeah.
Know that he left it. Only thing we can think of to bring it back, we just burn the whole light and put peas.
Okay.
More than 10 plant the whole place, you know. The more you plant, the more the better. Won't come out after day, just to come and
Yeah.
to know.
Wow, Jamaica, lovely.
When time come again, now, I just, but I'm not knowing, I get all on the heart. My mind big, but the body can't manage it.
Can't do it no more. Reality kick in.
Without the work, I'm dead. At that time, my mind was dead, just sit down now.
You have to keep going.
You can't take the separation.
No, sir.
You can't grab the banana. Purchase.
Almighty up.
Yeah, man, you go on town, they come down a drummer. I said, just come at the church, down at the bottom there, and follow the road. When 11 o'clock come, you don't hear him. You hear one calling, and him, deep in the woodland. And after water come on me. How you end up in the flat? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
From the day I'm there, I never go in them the part of woodland. Follow this truck. You can't see the plain truck. That truck where everybody walks every day.
Yeah.
No grass, no good. Master see house, just follow the truck.
Yeah.
The man far. No, me, I wonder what you did there just now.
I don't know,
Sometimes you
sir.
know what they know.
All right, over there, sir.
Be glad me never see
Me
you.
job.
I would have laughed.
Me say me job.
Me tell you where we are coming, sir.
And then dog go run
Come
fast.
down the step.
And then dog go run fast. Me job.
Come here, come back out there.
Jamaica. You see when you're craving, that's how it happens.
I left here when before my father teach me from the road there, so
Yeah.
my mother they leave me down.
Mm.
Father and uncle come one Sunday in a blue Benz. You know them old time Benz
Yeah, yeah.
with the wooden interior,
Yeah.
leather. You know me a picking him in the no luxury.
Yeah.
He sell the Benz there. Got big money too, you know.
Yeah.
And when he sell the Benz, he start build a guest house ready with the money. All them the people dead left all them there sitting.
Yeah.
He have a daughter and a son. The son is the older than me, it's a old man now too.
Yeah.
Jerry. That the Benz was antique.
Antique Benz.
In my night time, one little blue light in me.
Oh, all right, Jamaican, stand up, Jamaica Good Life. Stand up.
We drop next time too.
Stand up, people, stand up. Don't say nothing, me hold the camera.
All of that, you know, I'm not used to this yet, you know. Me can't come in here without this.
Yeah.
You know, someone who come out barefoot.
Yeah.
Pops them put on sneakers, come me.
You can't do
I
it.
have a water boot.
Have to.
Water boot to make your road.
Yeah. If this are wet, you know, me can't do it.
You know all them the things too. I never know shoes when you come and buy one pair of. What you call them, you know, the shoes that they hold them in it.
Crocs. Crocs.
England.
Yeah.
Bottom like glass. You want
Okay.
to make go to that shortcut with you.
Come over here, sir, man.
You know the banner come here.
Yeah. Oi. 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 See there. Oi. How far am I going? I'm treating them. I have to put some more tree in the thing. Put some more tree in the thing. The heat will clear up my thing them. These people. Yes, yes, yes. Back in Norway. More love, more life. Sun not tear to the sun. Crazy. Jackfruit, I'm going to half of my jackfruit.
Take it out, we can take it out.
What do you mean I can't take
I'm
it out?
sick.
Take it out. Where's the bag?
Where you come from, please?
Take out the phone out and all the on social media when I hang the jackpot.
Alexia, come and bless the jackfruit.
Need to bless the jackfruit.
Alexia, you don't want to see. Text it up.
Seriously, churches? How much I know got high school?
I'm free.
Two. How much I know got primary school? So me ask now, one I got school go do?
Bless the jackfruit.
Oh no, do prayer school?
I'm going to.
This jackfruit.
Alright, let me bless it. Put my hand on it. Give thanks. Alright, make a cut it. Cut it right in. You ready?
No, long.
I want jackfruit.
If you cut it long way, make yourself good jackfruit.
Whoa, Nadine, go there.
If you not good, we don't want.
Hey, stop wash your mouth. Stop wash your mouth on the
School
jackfruit.
and come from school.
I can't pray for
You
jackfruit.
can't even bless one jackfruit.
Hey, look how I got share for the whole neighborhood now.
Never cheat me.
Boy.
Can't even bless one jackfruit. What purpose on a suit?
They just start young.
Whoa,
Whoa, whoa.
This is lovely.
Yes. Around they bring it come.
A Jamaica Good Life.
Jamaica
do
Good
this.
Life was saturated. And a joke business.
I want to stay new.
Look this, sir. Nadine, your knife sharp.
Who want jackfruit?
That's enough food.
Who want jackfruit?
Nobody
You
here
want?
want bless you.
You want? You want to? No. You no gonna pray.
And me get the jackfruit.
You do a feed.
And me and you get
All right, you don't fight.
I forgot to.
You don't fight.
Could I never that possible? Because I'm the half forgot to.
You no put salt on it?
I may never say yes. We wouldn't hear about
You
jackfruit.
want no salt.
Okay. Hey.
For God so loved the world, give the only jackfruit in this neighborhood.
But you just baby missus.
What is that?
Body I look to see how we beside bigger piece.
Anyone needs you and brother I come back here.
You want to come on?
No.
Your phone still.
Cut some more. 1, 2, 3, 4. If 4 little one, take that.
I mean, I
piece.
want jackfruit.
See 4 pieces of jackfruit if you 4 hours.
How big a jackfruit
You
you
want
want?
jackfruit now?
Just a slim piece. So me have the big dirty piece over there, so.
I lick him down and you me wicked. So,
Put that down and we'll use one grass.
Remember, son, if you say give thanks, you know?
give thanks.
Yeah, man.
So Randy, you don't
You
need
want
such
a
a
piece
big
of jackfruit too? The brother want a piece of jackfruit. Don't give me a slim piece, you know? I mean, I want to bind up myself
You're
more.
not going to buy no.
If you eat too much, there we go. This is a
I mean,
pleasure.
I got a big piece of one.
Yeah.
Come here, face. We like lick us on the pear tree in the rain time.
Yes, you did.
Yeah, tell you what.
All right. Thank you, my dear.
Glass and you can't tell.
Thank you. See you.
Next.
Jamaica Good Life. Everybody. Take out half of the yam and put in yourself for me, please.
You might want me to do.
So do you want me to do the same thing for you, my your friend? The pants back in church, like. Or maybe I could say, this is not a
Them
planting.
two are planting.
So
Only
them
2 planting you get?
I think so.
Them 2 year more for be planting.
Yeah.
Yes.
See this one start growing already, you know?
Yeah.
Robusta?
Them are,
Robusta then.
yeah.
May you tell her for yourself, man.
Them they are plant, them they are Robusta. And then the people
These are more like
This is
West Mitchell.
a species of banana too, you know, but it be different.
Can. All right, so make we keep
You must have some Robusta banana there and planting them.
so make we keep 3 of the planting, 3 of the Ghost Michelle, yeah.
Oh, so 1, 2, 3.
And make we
Oh, you want back 2?
put on 2 of the planting here too. We want a whole planting walk up there, so.
2.
All right, so make we just keep 1, 2, 3, 4. Make we do this. We're gonna keep them. We're gonna do this. Them I gonna bring with me.
I'll leave them here.
And left all of them here. Plant all of them up there, so.
Maki can go past this tank, you know?
I don't know, I go play. Pops.
So put back your one in my bag.
Yeah.
Man, him drop!
Why?
Alexia, you go help me move them here. Go put over here this one.
Start.
Lex needs it too.
It's time we have more banana in the family. They say 4 years before them bust sucker.
Nothing like that.
No, man.
Right as a plan, the man then start to grow.
You see
Spread
what?
out, spread
What
out
month
this and
is
put
this
them
now?
pan here
You
and
plant
throw them.
them this
Now is what?
August.
September.
September. You plant
You
them
said by August next year you can eat
by
banana.
August next year. You
So you need the. I have a little bag of fertilizer. I leave from the tree them.
Where they?
We already fit my fertilizer?
need some
No, not it. Like this? You say tree I use it for. Let me
This is
Yeah.
You need no fertilizer yet if you plant it first. If you plant it with the fertilizer,
hello. We don't even know what kind of mango tree that they want. Good mango tree. How you get? Come along, you can bush go get.
Watch the baby.
Hold it, jackfruit business there.
You want a piece of jackfruit? See,
I tell you
piece
now,
there.
when
See
you
the
plant the
good piece
banana,
about the banana no go pan it.
see one piece here we cut out.
See them
you
man.
see the
Okay, see piece.
no, I wrote that.
So where you get you out of the man van?
There was piece of
That will never happen. This now come out.
them banana, yeah, sure you know.
Let's see this are going to you know.
You see us on the banana,
Yeah.
you know, if you throw no fertilizer into the hole with your soil.
No, it too.
If you throw it in the hole,
All the baby.
Like we know just cut that right there so a while ago.
after you
Just
throw it in the
now.
hole now, and hold it up, then you throw the fertilizer up on top.
Top of the hole.
First me see beggars have choice.
When my banana beer, you must call me, you know. Wait it. When my banana beer, you must call me.
Want this.
Me I put camera up on my
I
banana.
need this.
You want it? You go dry it for plant it?
Plant. I did green card?
Get on it dry.
I don't want the one ready.
Come on, help.
Me have to watch them, you know, because people run over cut my banana and not tell me, you know.
Of course it's food, you know.
They got it far away, the monkey can't walk with it.
No, me tell you, the banana is food.
Are you go walk?
No, anybody else say what, but they wait.
Dog in the level plenty. That's good, man. But you're not good for a dog in the thing up.
Yeah, man.
I go dry them here and plant it. Me buy a sweet card, me tell you $1,000 a pound. And over still we snow with it, but pops a worm, eat up the leaf then.
Me see it.
The beer take up your tea and wash hand.
You want a beer?
I run my drink, you know, me take two rum feet.
Yeah, I see your money for the rum.
Alright, give me one of him.
Yes, Lexi. Serve
You
half
sure you can
fast
manage
and
your
rum.
bad boy
I
special?
just one.
Bad boy up there.
So we can drive out here after? Eh?
Bad boy special dangerous.
We can.
It one now.
Alright, just easy it for me. Come here, drive. No.
One now do nothing.
But just easy it anyway. Make set it up soft. I drive. You can't test me with bad boy special. I'm me when I drive out here, so. How are they right?
Charlie creeper, you know.
Creeper. Let me sleep up on the road.
Come see,
Yeah,
wash stand here. Kevin, see wash stand here.
Oh, God, this are the cleanser.
So we keep them, you know, say, wash your hands.
On our sanitation from street side.
Yeah.
Sanitizer.